Welcome to this short video tutorial on DrumScriobhPro. In this tutorial we'll look at setting up a music stave for side, bass and tenor. Okay, to get started we select New and OK. We'll just resize, insert tab, music and draw out the stave. We click anywhere within the music object, the white space, right click on properties, and then we insert the additional parts. Okay, so we'll choose second line to be bass, third to be tenor. We'll change the time signature to 4, leave the other parameters as is, click OK. We'll resize a wee bit. Okay, click on the bar, select right click properties and repeat. In bar line, repeat. Okay, so we'll lay down some notes. One thing, right click to deselect. If we go to edit, select the object and go to check values, we can see that there's too many notes within that bar and therefore it will not play. So we have to rectify that. You can see that it's now turned green. Yellow bars signify too few notes in the bar. Still red, green. Okay, if we go to play it now, if we select all, it plays them all together. If we select part 1, it'll play just the side part. Part 2, the bass. Part 3, tenor. Okay, thank you.